Hello everyone. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first video and I'm very clueless कि मुझे करना क्या है and I don't think I can fake it. So yeah, I don't know. I think मैं कुछ भी बनाऊँ, you guys are gonna watch it. The first thing that I would want to say is कि I don't know इससे गंदा start कुछ हो सकता था because like as soon as I switched on the video, I got a message that your iPhone storage is full. So yeah, wow. So the first thing that I'll need to do is clear my storage. Starting off, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll soon get to say welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now I'm in my balcony and I can see people staring at me. लोग मुझे judge कर रहे हैं, but who cares? Like even to start this YouTube channel, I know I'm going to get love plus hate too because दुश्मन तो बहुत है मेरी life में. Talking about myself, I'm Ayushi Krishna. If you guys follow me on Insta, you know I'm there with the username Ayushi Yar. So I study here in LSR, Lady Shri Ram College in Delhi, and I'm staying in east of Kailash right now. Like I've recently shifted यहाँ पे. Maybe it's just been 15 days and it's still January and it was there in my vision board that I want to start a YouTube channel. Let's see if मैं से हो पाएगा कि नहीं. I know हो जाएगा obviously, like it's not that tough, but then yeah, a lot of people they did motivate me कि you should, like तू कर लेगी.
Finally. ये बल्ले बल्ले शाबाश शाबाश oh my god oh my
I'm really thankful in सबको. My cheerleaders, thank you so much. What else do I do? I wish I knew कि मैं क्या करती हूँ अपने लाइफ में. Okay, so ऐसे like बोला जाए तो I told already, like I study in LSR, I'm doing history honors, which I realized कि it's not very good शायद history 11th 12th तक ही. I mean it is good, no offense, but I think I want more in life than just college. I know LSR, it's a very prestigious college, no doubt. I love it there. I have a love and hate relationship with my college. I love my college, honestly. It's not that I hate it, but yeah, I feel like I want to do more, something more. Like not just limited to college or studies. So yeah, that's my intro. Also, I belong from Patna, Bihar. Bihari हूँ मैं. हम बिहारी हैं. But then I don't say hum. Like most people, they do ask me कि तुम लोग, like you guys, you use hum, right? But I don't because talking about my childhood, I studied like 8 साल Darjeeling में. I stayed there as a kid since like class 1 से 8 तक, and then in 2019 I came back to Patna and I stayed there 4 years. Then again after 4 years I'm here in Delhi after 12th. So yeah, that's it about me. What else? I don't know, bro. I'm so clueless. Also, I think it would be great if you guys recommend कि मैं क्या-क्या videos like बना सकती हूँ for you people. And what else do you want to know about me? For now, I've planned कि I'll be showing you my home. I call this home because the last place that I stayed, भाई, it was like very off. काफी off vibes देते थे and me and my roommate. Okay, so my flatmate, she's a senior. She's working in Amazon. I don't know why, but I think it's normal कि मेरी seniors से ज़्यादा बन जाती है. I don't know how. So I'm staying with her and we have a very like good bond. तो yeah, we shifted अभी recently 15 दिन हुए हमें इस घर में shift हुए. And I think it's pretty good. भले ही we like हमारा कोई भी काम in a straight line, never. Like if we want कि हम नीचे जाके कुछ लाएं, I know मैं नीचे जाने से पहले like on the way 1000 obstacles आने वाले मेरे मेरे like. So it's like that. Me and my roommate, ऐसा situation होता है हमारे साथ भी सी. Oh God, मुझे बार-बार notifications आ रहे हैं कि constantly कि your iPhone storage is full. बीच में कुछ delete कर रही हूँ. Like it's my first video भाई, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? And not to forget my storage, like phone का storage like 512 GB. I don't know what trash is there in my phone. Like I don't feel like deleting anything. Like one thing if I could ask then it would surely be unlimited storage. Like, why not, bro? Mm, I don't want to delete anything, and it's just my first video. And I know if I've started, I will make more videos now, for which I'll surely need more storage. And unfortunately, I'll have to delete a lot because 512 GB and it's full. Like, it's crazy. Like, for sure, it's crazy. Okay, so I was telling you about my flat, previous flat. I don't know, it gave very off vibes. Like, वहाँ ना तो sunlight आती थी. We didn't know कब हो रहा है, रात कब हो रहा है, nothing. So yeah, there's one incident that happened वहाँ पे, and it's like ज़्यादा कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, but ठीक है. We felt तो काला जादू है, and one more girl, she was staying with us, the third person. क्या पता उसने नजर लगा दिया हो when she left. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, there was this dark chocolate, like a really bad dark chocolate. Proper जो dark chocolate होता है, like the Shehzadi di, she's my roommate. Her name is Shehzadi. Yeah, you heard me right. So she got a dark chocolate as a gift किसी से, like one of her friends or someone had given her. So it was kept on top of the fridge, and I was studying. Like, मेरी आदत है कि during exam times, I had my exams like last month. तो मेरी आदत है, I study, like I do an all-nighter basically. So I can't wake up if I don't eat anything at night. I think you guys also like, I mean, you get it, I guess. Okay. So I just went. I thought कि कुछ तो बनाती हूँ to stay awake. I was making coffee for myself. तो I thought कि dark chocolate add कर देती हूँ. I don't know क्या करती थी मैं. Like, I just realized कि वो already open है, and the first slice it was eaten. I just tasted a bit. It was like very कड़वा, क्या बोलते हैं, कड़वा ही आएगा से, बहुत गंदे. Okay, it's not like that normal Cadbury wala dark chocolate. It does taste good, but then that was like original. I don't know. So next day I asked my roommate, and she was like, मैंने तो खाया ही नहीं है. So the question is कि खाया किसने है हमारे फ्लैट में? I don't think कि कोई ऐसा आता हो जो उसने खाया, मतलब like किसी ने खाया हो. So it was like कि it's still a mystery कि वो dark chocolate खाया किसने, and that whole first slice, like कोई नहीं खा सकता यार. Even if they like, I just took इतना सा, and it was really 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 bad. तो क्या बाकी also like in that flat हमारे साथ like कुछ अच्छा तो होता नहीं था. So and we got into a fight with our new owner, जिसने हमें धमकी दे दी सीधा कि not this flat का owner but that flat का owner कि भाई तुम लोग चेकआउट कर ले, like simply. So yeah, I do feel, I guess there's this meme right regarding Delhi के लोग. So we have experienced that as well कि rude तो होते हैं, but not everyone. There are very nice people too. Like, I've met many good people through the internet as well. Okay, so now since we've shifted here, I guess I'll be showing you all my flat, like a house tour or whatever you can say. So I'll be showing my house, like not my house, rented flat you can say. So this is the entrance, like यहाँ से, and yeah, this is the main entrance actually. So yes, the door, my bags, tote bags. Here we've kept it कि कोई extra आ जाए तो they can sleep, or we too sit here for शाम की चाय or in the balcony. Yeah, and this is my wardrobe. I hope it's not, I mean, it's not enough for a girl like us, but ठीक है. This is hers, my roommate Shehzadi Di's. Hello. Okay, so this wall you can see how secular we are. So this is the fridge, washing machine, our savior. कपड़े नहीं धुलते हमसे. Kitchen, where we cook. We do actually. Yeah. So this is the washroom. And I guess यहाँ पे बस एक पेंट वाली बाल्टी की कमी है. Anyways, this is our room. Warning, no stupid people beyond this point, but we do come every day. Anyways, okay, so this area, we've thought कि यहाँ पे एक mirror रखेंगे. We haven't purchased it yet. My emotional baggage, favorite. I think you see me with this every day. Like it's my go-to bag for college. And this is an organizer. I know it does look like a kindergarten का toy, but then anyways, ठीक है, मैं अपने पापा के पैसे पे रह रही हूँ. So it was cheap. And यहाँ पे if you've seen my previous flat, you must have noticed कि mirror के side में I had kept a Bollywood corner. So यहाँ पे I'll be sticking all those Bollywood posters which I brought वहाँ से. Yeah. So this is the table where my roommate works and मैं घंटा नहीं पढ़ती हूँ इस पे. Again, very secular. All of these hangings, this to also give boho vibes, and outside too you can see I've kept all my gods वहाँ पे. So these are also from Meesho. Yeah. So these posters you can see, it's really good actually. Like the whole theme is green. Even our room ka theme, it is going to be green. You can see the bed sheets and stuffs. So yeah, these posters we got it printed from a stationery shop, and the photos, all these pics which you can see, I downloaded it from Pinterest. Yeah. So these frames, it's for around 300 rupees from Meesho, and it's a pretty good deal. This dream catcher, it's for 100 from Janpat. And what I did was I put a light in it. Abhi zyada visible to nahi hoga, but then anyways, since it's not dark, I did it myself. Like I just wanted to give a boho vibe to my room. Like you can see the bedsheet is also green, and these curtains we got it pehle se hi. Never mind. Yeah, the vision board which we made this year. It's my first vision board, and this is the ka vision board. Like you can see my kahan pe hai, since I started. Like it's my first video. You can see it's written vlog, right? I wanted to start a YouTube channel this year. 10K I mean you get it, right? This churi stand, this also I got it from Meesho for around 150 something, and I don't know, but I love this. This thing, it lights raat mein, like we light it raat ko, and it gives a very good vibe. I'll show you raat ka video mein. Okay, so this corner we've left it for some posters. That too I got it from Meesho. I'll be showing, like adding a video of that too. That too is like kind of boho posters, and we'll be like putting some leaves yahan pe, those artificial leaves, if you know, to like complete the vibe, and some fairy lights like in this way all over the room, those golden lights. So overall you can see this is the room. I think it's a good deal, like, and a very decent place for two people to stay, and काफी spacious भी है. This is the balcony. My roommate, she's working वहाँ पे, and the balcony is also very spacious. She doesn't want to come in the video since it's the first video. All the best. And this thing, क्या बोला? 100K view. Oh, first May. Okay, this thing also we got it from Meesho, like because we didn't want our balcony to look cluttered या धोबी घाट जैसा नहीं दिखना चाहता. दिखना? What? भाई मेरी हिंदी भी बेकार हो रही है. हाँ, so like बस यहाँ पे कपड़े हो और यहाँ पे ना हो, and धोबी घाट जैसा ना दिखे. I personally want my room to look good, but at minimal cost, because since I'm a student and obviously अब्बा के पैसे पे रह रही हूँ यार, so I don't think it's worth spending a lot like on room decor and stuff. So yeah, Meesho for the win. I order most of the things from Meesho. And also if you guys, not guys, especially girls I guess, since mostly girls are into room decors, not exactly, but my kind of room decor. I know girls will like it more, and they too would want कि उन लोग का room ऐसा दिखे. So I can provide you with some links कि you can purchase this, and it's not really like costly. You can get it for under 300 rupees. Like whatever I have in my room, that's like more than enough per item. I'm saying not कि सब कुछ 300 में मिल जाएगा, but yeah, it's worth it. And बाकी yes, I love Delhi. It's the most convenient city like to stay in. As I've heard, बाकी जगह like Bangalore, not many people like it. Even my roommate, she did go there and she had a very bad experience, and she came back to Delhi. So yeah, I love Delhi personally. Baki, I do want to know what do you guys like are expecting me to make. I know मैं अपना ही करने वाली हूँ at last, but I would love to like consider your recommendations. Okay, so there's going to be a lot in my videos. Like I love traveling. So any trips that I'm going to take this year, I hope I can do like the maximum that I've already thought of. So yeah, On 29th, I'll be leaving for Jodhpur. It's going to be a college trip, so with my friends. Stay tuned for that too. Baki this 4 year, I guess I'll be doing a lot of trips, hopefully. So fingers crossed. And apart from travel, I'll be showing you what my day-to-day life here as a student in Delhi it looks like, my college and everything. Baki, I don't think I'm a very outgoing person. Like I am, but I show the most out of the very little. So, like लोगों को लगता है my life it's very happening and stuffs. But ऐसा नहीं है कि especially staying in Delhi, I don't think I go much बाहर. Cause ठीक है, but I'll try. I'll try to show everything except me changing in front of the camera. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is Ayushi R signing off. And don't forget to follow, not follow, I'm sorry, I take it back. I'm on YouTube, I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, or kya hota, I don't know. I think you guys know better. So please, no, not please, but yeah, do it.